practical second. We are going to perform the study of the simple tissue. The cell, that is biochemical, functional and structural unit. The organ is known as the cell. Group of cells known as the tissue. Tissue perform the same function. Their nature, development, organization and functioning is the same in all plants. The tissue which is made up by only one type of the cells, they are known as the simple tissues. These are the permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. This practical is for only identification. Therefore, we are going to see only few lines. The given specimen is a simple tissue, that is a parenchyma. Given slide is a simple tissue, that is known as a parenchyma. Parenchyma, the cells, they are spherical to oval in shape. The cell wall is thin, made up by cellulose layer. Each and every cell, these are the loosely arranged, having much intercellular spaces. It is a living tissue. Consists the nucleus, well-developed cytoplasm, small vacuoles in all cells. These are meant for the only storage regions. Second, that is a collenchyma tissue. Given slide is a simple tissue, that is a collenchyma. This collenchyma, the tissue is similar to this parenchyma. The cells are oval to spherical living cells which consist the dense cytoplasm, nucleus and vacuoles. There are no intercellular spaces. The intercellular spaces are filled. Therefore, collen means angular thickening chyma. It functions as the shock absorber-like functions. Means it gives the mechanical strength and support to the plant body. These are the formed just below the epidermis in dicot stems. The third one, that is the sclerenchyma. It is the given slide is a simple tissue, that is known as the sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma are generally present in the delicate stem, that is generally monocot stems. The sclerenchyma are two-celled, thick-walled cells. Sclerenchyma is a dead cell. Protoplasm is absent or withdrawn. And this sclerenchyma gives the mechanical strength and support to the delicate, softer stems.